Hey guys, and welcome to Minecraft. Right now I'm recording. So yeah. So I was around and I saw this guy do this new mansion thing. Like what? So I went to the warp. It was pretty cool so far. And I don't actually explored it. This is my first time. Yeah, this is my first time here. GPs. Um, a bathroom. Oh, whoa. Because no, that is a baby review. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna put a sign and put carpet on top of this. Let's get close to the piano. It's still got mirrors. It's so cool. I need to get that. Oh wow, that's so funny. Oh wow, that is so funny. This is a gigantic. Hmm, this is so weird. Very hot. That was real. Then that'd be very hot. Man, it took almost his whole entire plot building this thing, this house. My God, it looks big, but it's actually pretty small if you think about it. Man, that's so cool. That's so cool. Oh, I just forgot I was recording. Okay. So I'm gonna go back to my plot. It's pretty cool, actually. Oh. Welcome. So I'm gonna go back. Okay. That was pretty cool. So yeah, I think that's about it for today. If you like and enjoyed the video, this showcases this giant cool house. Then leave a like and a comment. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. I have two subscribers I want. Hit a limit to, well, maybe for now just 300 subscribers. Then that'll be fine. Then after I get 300 subscribers, I'll do 3,000. My you probably noticed that my favorite numbers. Those are my favorite numbers. So we'll just keep going crazy. So if you liked and enjoyed the video, leave a comment. Make sure to like. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm very new channel. Okay, that's about all for tonight, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.